today we're going to be making my buffalo chicken dip. This is the way I do it. I posted on my Instagram over the weekend. A couple people asked me how I made it and how it turned out, so cheesy. So I'm going to show you guys. So what you're going to need for seasonings and spices is just black ground pepper. I have some regular salt. You can use sea salt, some light adobo, garlic and onion powder, paprika, and 1 Sazon packet. You can totally change the preferences up to you, the seasonings. I'm using half a cup of Tabasco, half a cup of Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce. I'm using 1 packet of Philadelphia cream cheese. It needs to be room temperature, that way it's easier for you to mix in. I also have a pound of chicken cutlets here. I have 4 of them. You're gonna need something to dip with. You can use this, tortilla chips, carrots, celery. It's totally up to you and your preference. And then I'm using a 2-pound bag of Colby Jack and Monterey Jack cheddar cheese. And I have a small pan there. I'm using a pie crust pan. I made a larger sheet pan on my Instagram, which you can totally do as well. But I just like something like this, so it's more thick. The layer I had was a nice thin layer of the chicken. It had chicken throughout, but I would prefer it to be something like that, more stacked. So first things first, what you're gonna need is a pot, and we're gonna put this chicken alongside these spices in there to boil for about an hour. Hi guys, so I have my pot filled up with water, and I already cleaned my chicken with vinegar, salt, and water for a couple. So now we're just gonna drop them in. Some people like to season it prior. I like to just season the water. I find that it works better because either way it's gonna go right directly to the water. So I'm just placing those in there. So I'm just gonna take some onion powder. This is about a tablespoon. A tablespoon of garlic powder. A little salt, pepper. Okay. Then you're gonna take some paprika. Just a little dash. You don't want to go too crazy and heavy-handed with this adobo. It's going to be super salty. So just a little zadash. That ain't even a word. And then we're going to put some salt. And then the Sazon packet. This is the one with azafran, which is saffron, I believe. I'm just going to add this in. Cut. And get the color. So we're going to let this boil for about 40 minutes to an hour, and then we're gonna shred it for the dip. But first things first, you want to make sure that all the pieces are proportionate, almost the same size, because if it's not, they're not gonna cook around the same time. So that's a good tip there. So we're just gonna leave this on high and let it do its thing. Now we have the chicken all shredded. They were done after about 50 minutes. So we're just gonna mix in all of the rest of our ingredients. So I'm just gonna open up the cream cheese. This is 8 ounces of cream cheese. You can use low fat, reduced fat, whatever you like, it's up to you. I just prefer to use the Philadelphia brand. Okay, just throw the packet in. Then we're going to add our cheeses. I'm gonna add like half the bag and the rest of the top. This is a 2-pound bag, keep in mind. We're gonna add in our seasonings, similar to the ones we used for the chicken. Paprika, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. All right, and now we're going to add in our buffalo sauce, hot sauce. Okay, so now we're just dumping in the mix into a little dish. I'm using a pie crust pan. You can use a casserole dish, a sheet pan, aluminum pan, whatever you like, and just make sure you just smooth it out. Smells amazing already. I have my kids here with me. So yeah, that's the background noise. And now we're going to add more cheese. And I already preheated my oven to 375 while I was shredding. It's been about 15 minutes, so it's more than preheated now. And just to be really cheesy. So I think that's about good enough. I still have some left in the bag. So I would say that was about a little bit less than half of a pound. So yeah, like half a pound, maybe 3/4. So I'm gonna leave it like this. Add some more to the top of garlic and onion powder. You don't want it to be bland, it tastes like just hot sauce. And cream cheese, you want it to be flavorful. But it's totally too. And then a little paprika. So now we're gonna put this in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. You wanna check in on it during 20 minutes. During the last 5 minutes, you wanna put this baby on broil so it gets that nice and bubbly, cheesy effect. So let's go put it in. So there you have it, it's all set. Nice and bubbly. And just dig in, get your chips and dig right in.
Yum. Oh, yeah, it's
Are you recording? Stop.
What? Hi. What you cooking?
Yeah. No. Mason, look inside. No, look inside. Look inside. Look inside.
See, he knows what's going on with the program today.
Mila, go play with your tablet.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making buffalo chicken dip.
Mason, hi. Hi. Hi.
No!
Just say hi. Mila, get that out your mouth. Get that out your mouth. 3.
It's okay, Venus. Be nice. Go.
3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cooking baked.
Hi.